friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create Facebook ads using custom audience. As you can see, I am into my ads manager and I am into my audiences section, and here we have created two custom audience, right? I hope you know how to create custom audience. If you don't know how to create custom audience in Facebook ads, then kindly visit our YouTube channel and check out our meta ads playlist. So we have created the custom audience in past videos. Right now we are going to run an ad campaign using this custom audience. So it is quite easy. Let's jump into campaign section. Okay, now whenever we create a new ad campaign, right? For example, I'm creating a new ad campaign over here, and I have selected any of the objective to just tell you that where you can select the custom audience to run Facebook ads using custom audience. So here we will select manual engagement campaign, continue. Okay, now as we know that in the ad set level we can select the audience whom we want to show our Facebook or Instagram ads, right? So we are going to open the ad set level, and here I'm not going to tell you how to create the campaign, right? I'm just going to tell you how to select the custom audience in a new ad campaign, right? As we have already discussed how to create different kinds of campaign in our previous videos, that you can check it out by visiting our playlist. In this video I'm just going to tell you how to select the custom audience, right, whenever you are going to run a ad campaign. As you can see, we are into the ad set level, and we are into the audience control section. Scrolling down, here advantage plus audience is there, and I'm going to click on this audience suggestion optional. Here it is asking me include these custom audiences, right? Here we need to click in the search bar, and here we can simply select the custom audience whom we want to target. So I have selected this, as I had only this custom audience created, right? If you have created multiple custom audience, you can simply select all those multiple custom audiences over here, right? And your ad would be shown to all those custom audiences. So it was super easy how to create a custom audience and how to select the custom audience in a new Facebook ad campaign, so that your ad campaign can be delivered to those custom audience. Now if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit our website, explore our course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.